Hello everyone. I uploaded exercise on question tag in fourth video with answers. If you click on part 2, you can see that exercise. If you do it, really it will be beneficial to you. Now, we are going to learn some more special rules in question tag. First one, if the statement starts with everything, something, nothing, it pronoun is used in the tag. For example, here nothing is permanent. The sentence is started with nothing. That's why we have to write here it pronoun. And which auxiliary is there, means which helping verb is there, is. And already it is a negative statement. As we learnt, negative statements have positive question tag, positive statements have negative tag. Now nothing is a negative word, that's why we have to write a positive tag. So we should take this is and we should write here it according to that rule. And next, everything is possible. So whenever everything, something, nothing are there in that sentence, if it is started with these words, then we should write it pronoun we learnt. Now it is a positive statement, so we should write negative tag. So already which verb is there, is. Now isn't it, according to that rule we should write here it. Now compulsory we have to put question mark. Next, one more rule. If the statement has only have or has or had without a participle, means V3, then we use don't, doesn't, didn't. Now you can observe here, whenever has is there, doesn't. Whenever have is there, don't. Whenever had is there, didn't. For example, I have a black car. Actually, here have indicates possession, having something. And after this have, participle is not there, means V3 is not there. That's why here we should use don't. And what is the subject here? I. So don't I, like that. I will say in simple way. For example, you have a pen. Then here I will ask you, do you have a pen? Then what is your answer? Yes, I have. Like that you will say. If you don't have, what do you say? I don't have. That's why we have to use here don't, doesn't, didn't, according to that verb. Next one. He has a building. Now, what is the subject here? He. Now, what is the verb here? Has. So, it indicates possession, having something. Whenever has is there, then we should use does. Now, it is positive statement. That's why we have to write here und. Now, doesn't and subject is he. So, doesn't he, we should write. Next, she had a scooty last year. Actually, had is past verb. So, whenever had is there, we should use did. Already it is a positive statement. That's why we have to write und. Didn't she? Of course, you can understand this easily. So, didn't she? Like that. And you can observe after have, has, had, there is no participle. Past participle means V3. Of course, present participle is V4. You know that. Here, go is V1, went is V2, gone is V3. So, that V3 is called here past participle. So, after these verbs, if past participle is not there, then here it indicates possession. That's why we have to write here don't, doesn't, didn't, according to that verb. Next, one more. Few and little are semi-negative words. Like rarely, scarcely, hardly, seldom. So we use positive tag if the statement starts with few or little. Actually, few and little, these are adjectives. Few is used before countable noun. Little is used before uncountable noun. Countable noun means the noun which we can count as 1, 2, 3 is called countable noun. For example, 1 pen, 2 pens, 3 pens. 1 bag, 2 bags, 3 bags. Uncountable nouns means the noun which we cannot count as 1, 2, 3 is called uncountable noun. For example, oil, milk, water, like that. We can't count 1 milk, 2 milks, 1 water, 2 waters, like that. So, before them we use few and little. Here, not having any article before these words little and few, then it is treated as a negative statement. Now you can see, before little, is there any article? No. Now you can see, little sugar is left. Okay. Here, what is the verb? Is. And if only little word is there, before that if any article is not there, then it is treated as a negative statement. That's why we have to write positive tag. Already is the verb. And next, sugar. Actually, here out of I, we, you, he, she, it, they, which is suitable to it? It only. That's why we have to write is it, and question mark is common. Next, few members attended the meeting. Actually, here attended is V2. Here, before that few, if any article is not there, it is also treated as negative statement. That's why we have to write a positive tag. Attended means actually V2. Okay. Whenever V2 is there, we should use in the tag did. And few members means out of I, we, you, he, she, it, they, which we should use? That is plural. That's why more members are there. That's why we have to use they. So instead of few members, we should use they. Did they? Like that. And next, one more. A few and a little are positive words. So we use negative tag when the statement starts with a few or a little. You observe the difference between this one and this one. Okay. For example, a little oil is left. Now, before this, a is there, you observe. Okay. A little oil is left. So, it is positive statement. Okay. Now, here, what is the verb? Means auxiliary is. Now, we should write that is. Already, it is a positive statement we learnt. So, we should add unt. Now, isn't. Now, here little oil out of subjective pronouns, which is suitable? Of course, you know that. Then it is only suitable. Now, isn't it? Like that it comes. Now, you can see second one. A few members attended the race. Here also, same thing will happen. Attended is V2. before that few, which is there? A. Now it indicates before few, before little. If a article is there, it indicates it is treated as positive statement. That's why we have to write negative question tag. Now you take this, you observe this. Whenever V2 is there, we should write did, and already it is a positive statement. That's why we have to write unt, and a few members indicate plural. That's why we have to write they. Okay, so a few members attended the race. Didn't they? Like that it comes. Once you observe all, if you like this video, click on like, share it to others, and do subscribe and make a comment in comment box. Thank you.